Hi, Mark. Here. It's Tuesday, October the 21st. It's 9:48 a.m. Eastern, 1:48 GMT. US session well underway. Wall Street open up. Let's see how the markets are shaping up. Starting at the US dollar index, as always, and strong US dollar today. Third consecutive day. I've got support at 98.28 and resistance at 98.75. Let's just zoom in on that hourly, and you'll see strong, steady demand for US dollars this morning through the Asian, European, and into the US session, and buyers looking up at the 98.75 resistance area as the US session does get underway. Let's have a look at the S&P. Wall Street has just opened up. Hanging around yesterday's close, red candlestick to start. I've got resistance at 6,786 and support at 6,761. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see in this current candlestick, this hourly candlestick, bear in mind Wall Street has just opened up. So you've got two red candlesticks, a push down here towards the 6,761 support area, giving up some of that. Now we can see there's the wickets leaving behind. So we'll see whether, let's go back to the daily. We'll see whether buyers can maintain like we saw over the past 2 days, or if this does continue the red candlestick and we get a sell-off from these levels. Gold, a very strong sell-off in gold today, almost a $200 move. 4,372 is my resistance. 4,176 is the support. Certainly, profit taking has entered the picture here. We're seeing the classic inverse relationship between strong US dollar and weak gold. We'll see whether this can be maintained. Bear in mind, we have, from a technical technical trading and technical analysis point of view, we have an average true range. We have RSI, so certainly this will be oversold at this point. So I don't know how much more room there can be and whether buyers will step in and we see a bounce off this level, but certainly a very strong sell-off in gold to start the week. Technically, or the semblance of a triple top, even if not identical numbers, but certainly triple top, showing a strong reversal sign. 2 days ago, we had the bearish engulfing candlestick. So always to watch out for our technical signals, technical signs, and this certainly has been, from a technical point of view, a strong reversal sign. Pushing lower now, we'll see whether that can be maintained or whether buyers see this as an opportunity to step in and buy at a lower price. Let's have a look at Brent oil. Strong downtrend in Brent oil, continuing today, testing support right now. I'm moving at that a little bit lower, my support level. I've got support now at 60.33. I've got resistance at 61.55. Pushing, looking to test these very low support levels. We'll see whether that can be maintained through the US session or if buyers are going to step in and look for a bounce up off these support levels like we've seen over the past 2 days. But certainly looking very bearish right now, and I don't at this point see demand for oil. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Unable to hang on to the gains we saw. Last week we had a big sell-off. Over the weekend, Bitcoin did fight back, continued yesterday. But look at today's red candle, no wick, no, the high is the open, has come down with resistance at 110.5 thousand, support at 107.3 thousand. These sellers giving up these gains from the last couple of days. We'll see whether that can be maintained or whether buyers do step up and bounce up from this support level. 110,000 pivotal level, 112,000 has been pivotal. Buyers weren't able to maintain above that 112,000 yesterday. We'll see if buyers get another opportunity today or if sellers test this support level and look even lower at the lows around 103 and 104,000. Good trading. Keep that discipline, and I will see you at end of day session.